In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at a new TMS, a new dash camera, expanded AI capabilities, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
DPL Telematics has launched a new dash camera with real-time AI driver assistance, GPS tracking, and high-definition video evidence in one device. Key features of the ClearView Smart Dashcam include real-time driver coaching and alerts for harsh braking, acceleration, cornering, speeding, and forward collision warnings, a driver monitoring system that detects distractions, drowsiness, seatbelt violations, and stop sign infractions, an advanced driver assistance system, dual-view HD cameras with front-facing and optional inward-facing IR and rear cameras, live streaming access and dual storage, G-sensor events and tamper-proof design, and integrated GPS tracking. Seamlessly integrated into the DPL Telematics platform, the dashcam appears alongside the full suite of tracking devices, providing fleet managers with unified, real-time visibility and control from a single centralized interface. Project 44 has rolled out its Intelligent Transportation Management System as part of its decision intelligence platform, Movement. Intelligent TMS is a flexible, modular, cloud-native solution that delivers core transportation planning and execution functions, significantly reducing deployment time and costs compared to traditional systems. The TMS enables planning and managing freight across all major modes from a single interface. It includes dynamic rate management and booking, AI-enhanced planning and optimization, intelligent carrier selection, freight procurement and mini-bids, embedded order management, document management and collaboration, automated settlement and analytics, and slot booking and yard integration. Results seen by early adopters include a 4.1% reduction in transportation costs, a 17% increase in on-time performance, over 60% time saved on quoting carriers, and a 22% increase in billing and documentation accuracy. Fleetworthy, a technology suite that combines fleet safety, compliance, toll management, and way station bypass, has expanded its AI capabilities across its major brands to streamline operations, enhance safety and compliance, and deliver measurable efficiencies. These capabilities include continuous monitoring and AI alerting, in which AI analyzes fleet data streams in real time, surfacing actionable risk assessments and alerts. Fleets can immediately respond to emerging risks or operational anomalies, mitigating liabilities and enhancing safety outcomes through intelligent intervention. It also includes AI-powered audit readiness with intelligent anomaly detection and predictive audit reporting, enabled through proactive compliance auditing. Fleet managers are warned of potential compliance issues long before audits occur, giving them time to take corrective action and minimize penalties. Additionally, predictive toll intelligence with AI-driven predictive analytics forecasts toll costs with unprecedented accuracy. The reporting system anticipates potential overspending, proactively flags anomalies, and enables route optimization, helping fleets reduce violations and increase cost control. Transportation management solutions provider McLeod Software has released its latest version 25.2 with enhancements across its Loadmaster, PowerBroker, Document Power, and Impact platforms. Highlights of the Loadmaster updates were shared in last week's Tech Shorts video. This week, we'll focus on the company's updates to PowerBroker. First is the introduction of new time-saving tools for greater brokerage efficiency. The new Order Payables workspace offers a tabbed interface for managing settlements with filters, bulk actions, and improved factoring control. Multi-select load planning enables batch actions for assigning carriers, sending rate confirmations, and applying holds. Call-ins and status tracking automatically update from incoming SMS messages, while the FlowLogix integration triggers next step workflows. The carrier sales board centralizes load matching, capacity tracking, and communication into a single command center.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.